everybody, thanks for joining me for our next family STEAM. My name is Melissa, I'm the technology coordinator here at the library. So today we're going to be making candy cornucopias. So your first step, if you've already come to the library and picked up your material bag, is go ahead and take everything out. And our first step is our sugar cone. Now this one, as you can see, is already curved, but it's really simple. All you do is take this end and soak it down in some water for about 20-30 seconds. You can also pour a little bit of water inside the cone, and just to make sure that it gets softened up through and through. Then you're going to go ahead and dump your water back out and go and put this in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Now make sure you don't go over that time because it will dry the cone out and it will get brittle and crack on you really easily. So you go ahead and microwave it for about 20 seconds. And then be careful when you do this part because the cone is going to still be very hot. But all you're going to do is take your wet end and then slowly pull it up and curve it around your pencil that I also included in the bag, and let it sit like that, curled up around the pencil for about 20 to 30 seconds. And then after it's good and curled up the way you want it, go ahead and slowly remove your pencil just like that. And your cone should stay nice and curled to give it that cornucopia shape. Okay, the next step is filling it with the candy. Now I went ahead and included some package of sixlets in there, but you are more than welcome to change those out. Put any kind of candy inside of here that you would like. And after you have it nice and full, go ahead and take some saran wrap. Just place it over the end to make sure your candy does not fall out. And then I also included a little rubber band in your bag. And you can just put the rubber band right over your saran wrap, just like that. Okay, so now your candy is nice and secure. And the next step is the ribbon. Now I included a piece of ribbon for you, but again, you're more than welcome to change this out with anything that you would like. And I also made these little Happy Thanksgiving cards for you to be able to put on there. Now if you wanted to do like name, place, settings, anything like that for your Thanksgiving dinner, you could just make your own circles and put somebody's name on there, however you would like to do it. So then just go ahead and thread your ribbon through the hole that's already punched in your little card. And then you're going to take your ribbon, and the whole point is to cover up your rubber band. So like that, to where that's dangling on the side. And go ahead and tie it on there. And just get it placed however you would like for it to be. And you can tie it in a bow, you can tie it however you would like, whatever you would like. So there you go. That is it. And here is a finished one that I already have done, if you want to see that. So then you have the freedom to do it however you would like. You can make these to have like place settings at your Thanksgiving dinner. You can also just make it as a nice little sweet treat for the kids while they want to wait on dinner to get ready for Thanksgiving. So that's all there is to it. All these directions are also on here if you want to make them again in the future, or if you forget anything from the video, everything is printed out here for you, so you have that as well. So thank you so much for joining me today for our Family STEAM program, and make sure to keep an eye out for our next one. Thanks so much. Until then, you guys take care. Bye-bye.